So one of the things that you can do inside of Terabox is insert outlines and slides as well. So to do that, over here on the top, you can see that insert lines is an option, and there's different sort of lines that you can bring in. For example, you can see that there's a straightforward line right here, and if you were to click, you can see a diagonal line, and you can click and drag to change this around right here. You can even go ahead and change the fill color as you wish for the line. Similarly, you can see that there's dotted line that you can bring in, that you can click and drag, and there's like arrow line right here, just like this, as you can see right here as well, with a little arrowhead, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around over here, and then you can see that there's the dotted arrow line around over here, just like this as well. And there's the dot arrow line, dot line, as you can see right here, and so forth. So there's different sort of lines, like there's this type of a line right here, which allows you to go ahead and make connections. Then there's the L-shaped line as well, that you can go ahead and click and drag to actually go ahead and make multiple connections right here, just like this. Then apart from that, you also have a curve, as you can see right here, and you can click and drag the curve to go ahead and pull it wherever you want. So that is how you can go ahead and insert outlines in slide as you want. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.